What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 hacks you can do on your smartphone right now. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first hack is actually going to be using your cell phone with a battery. Now obviously capacitive touchscreens work with anything that holds an electrical charge, including the obvious answer here, human skin. So we're going to go ahead and use this battery here, and as you see, it does work like a finger would, and it does hold an electrical charge. For this next hack, we're going to be using a pencil and some foil. Next thing you're going to go ahead and do is rip a piece of foil off and wrap it around the pencil. Now for this tutorial, I didn't use a rubber band or tape or anything, but I definitely would recommend like a rubber band or something to hold the foil in place, because it can fall off and it will give you the best results for your DIY stylus. As you guys can see, it is a much more accurate DIY stylus, and you guys can go ahead and wrap rubber bands around it, tape it, do anything you want to it to, make it your own basically. But that's how you make a stylus. Next hack will be a phone holder, and all we need for this is just an old credit card or an old plastic card, as you see right here. And we're going to go ahead and bend it right there. So we're going to make a small little bend firstly right there, and then we're going to bend it back, and then we're going to make an even bigger bend right here, all the way till we're reaching the bottom and it's equal with the second half. As you can see in this representation, your card should now look something like this. For this next phone hack, we're going to need a bowl, and we're going to need a phone with our favorite music on it, and we're going to go ahead and amplify the music. For the last phone hack, we're going to need a glass of water. We're going to need a dark environment. We then need our phone flashlight and maybe a little darker environment. Now that you have everything set, you are going to go ahead and carefully put the glass over the flashlight, and voila, you have a pretty dope lamp now that you can use maybe in a room of a group of people. But honestly, this is just really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys aren't a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications, because I do upload videos every single day, so you will be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.